Do you ever see someone and think, wow, they look so polished, but have no idea how they do it? Well, today I'm revealing 12 tricks to look elegant on any budget. Looking elegant isn't about spending a fortune, it's about smart styling and small details. What instantly makes someone look polished? How can you upgrade your look without breaking the bank? And which simple trick will change your style game forever? In this video, I'm sharing 12 effortless ways to look more elegant and put together on any budget. Stick around, tip number 1 might surprise you. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more effortless style tips. Tip number 11, well-kept nails and soft hands. Your hands and nails are one of the first things people notice. Dry, unkempt hands or chipped nails can make even a polished outfit look less refined. Well-groomed hands instantly elevate your appearance, making you look put together and elegant. Keep your nails trimmed and shaped short. Clean nails or a neutral manicure always look sophisticated. Moisturize your hands daily, especially after washing, and use cuticle oil to keep them soft and healthy. Avoid overly long, flashy nail designs. Instead, opt for classic shades like nude, soft pink, or a simple French manicure for a timeless look. Hands tell a story. Make sure yours reflect elegance. Tip number 10, crisp, wrinkle-free clothes. Nothing ruins an outfit faster than wrinkles. No matter how expensive or stylish your clothes are, if they look crumpled, they instantly appear sloppy. Well-pressed fabrics add a touch of refinement and make even budget-friendly outfits look high-end. Invest in a good steamer or iron and take a few extra minutes to smooth out your clothes before heading out. Hang delicate pieces properly to prevent creases and choose wrinkle-resistant fabrics for effortless elegance. Avoid air-drying certain fabrics without reshaping them. Hanging structured pieces like blazers on the wrong hanger can create unwanted folds. A little effort in maintaining your clothes makes a huge difference in your overall appearance. Tip number 9, low-key luxury fabrics. Fabric choice plays a huge role in how elegant you look. Shiny synthetic materials often appear cheap and can lose their shape quickly. In contrast, natural fabrics like linen, cotton, and structured knits give a polished, sophisticated appearance without trying too hard. When shopping, opt for breathable, high-quality materials that drape well. A simple cotton blouse or a well-fitted linen dress looks far more expensive than a synthetic alternative. Structured knits add texture and depth, making even casual outfits feel refined. Avoid overly glossy polyester or flimsy fabrics that wrinkle easily. Stick to neutral or classic colors and high-quality textures to maintain an effortlessly elegant look. Tip number 8, master the art of layering. Effortless layering is a hallmark of elegant style. A well-layered outfit looks intentional and polished, while messy or bulky layering can appear unkempt. The key is balance, choosing lightweight yet structured pieces that add depth without overwhelming your frame. Start with a fitted base, like a sleek blouse or turtleneck, then add a tailored blazer, structured cardigan, or classic trench coat. Stick to a cohesive color palette for a refined look. Scarves, belts, and minimal jewelry can enhance layering without adding bulk. Avoid oversized, mismatched layers that drown your figure. Instead, focus on streamlined pieces in complementary textures to create a sophisticated, put-together ensemble. Tip number 7, small, elegant jewelry. Jewelry can make or break an outfit. While oversized statement pieces can sometimes feel trendy, small, delicate accessories have a timeless, expensive-looking appeal. They add a touch of sophistication without overpowering your look. Opt for dainty gold or silver pieces like thin hoop earrings, a simple pendant necklace, or a sleek bracelet. Pearls and minimalistic rings also add effortless elegance. Stick to high-quality materials or well-made alternatives that mimic fine jewelry. Avoid excessive layering of jewelry. Instead, focus on 1 or 2 key pieces that complement your outfit and enhance your natural elegance without looking overdone. Tip number 6, structured bags over trendy styles. A well-structured handbag instantly elevates your entire look, giving off an air of sophistication and polish. Unlike trendy, oversized, or overly embellished bags that can quickly go out of style, classic structured bags remain timeless and versatile. Opt for clean lines, neutral tones, and high-quality materials like leather or faux leather. A top handle bag, a sleek tote, or a refined crossbody in beige, black, or navy effortlessly pairs with any outfit. Skip flashy logos and excessive embellishments. Subtle details like gold hardware or fine stitching make all the difference. A structured bag not only enhances your outfit, but also gives off a refined, put-together vibe without any effort. Tip number 5. Hair. The ultimate elegance factor. Your hairstyle can make or break your overall look. A sleek, well-groomed style instantly elevates your appearance, making you look polished and sophisticated, while unkempt or overly trendy styles can distract from an elegant outfit. Stick to timeless hairstyles like a neat bun, soft waves, or a smooth ponytail. If you prefer short hair, go for structured bobs or classic layers that frame your face beautifully. Regular trims, deep conditioning, and avoiding excessive heat styling will keep your hair looking healthy and refined. Use a light, non-greasy hair serum for shine and smoothness. Even on casual days, simply tucking your hair behind your ears or securing it with a chic clip can add a touch of effortless elegance. Tip number 4. Shoes make or break it. Polished shoes matter. Your shoes are one of the first things people notice, and they can instantly elevate or ruin your entire look. Scuffed, worn out, or overly trendy footwear can make even the most sophisticated outfit look unpolished. On the other hand, clean, well-maintained shoes add an instant touch of elegance. Invest in timeless styles like pointed toe pumps, sleek loafers, or minimal strappy heels in neutral tones. Keep them clean, polished, and in good condition. Even an affordable pair can look luxurious if properly maintained. Swap overly trendy sneakers or bulky platform shoes for sleek, classic alternatives. Adding sole protectors and using a leather conditioner on your shoes can extend their lifespan while keeping them looking brand new. Tip number 3. Poise and posture matter. No matter how expensive or well-styled your outfit is, poor posture can diminish your overall presence. Carrying yourself with confidence, standing tall, and maintaining good posture instantly make you look more elegant and refined. Elegance isn't just about clothes, it's about how you present yourself. Practice keeping your shoulders back, chin slightly lifted, and spine straight. When sitting, avoid slouching and opt for a relaxed but upright position. Walking gracefully with a steady, intentional stride also adds to your polished look. Imagine a string pulling from the top of your head to keep your posture aligned. Strengthening your core with simple exercises like planks or yoga can also help maintain an effortlessly poised stance. Tip number 2. The monochrome secret. Wearing a single color from head to toe instantly creates a refined and expensive-looking outfit. Monochrome dressing elongates the silhouette, making you appear taller and more put together with minimal effort. It's a timeless trick used by fashion icons and stylists alike. Choose a neutral or muted color like beige, black, navy, or white for an effortlessly chic look. If you prefer a bit more depth, play with different textures, pair a wool coat with silk trousers, or a knit sweater with structured pants in the same shade. If you're new to monochrome styling, start with simple combinations like an all-black or all-white outfit. Adding subtle variations in shades, like light gray with charcoal, keeps the look interesting without breaking the monochrome effect. Tip number 1. Invest in signature details. The smallest details can make the biggest impact. A sleek watch, high-quality sunglasses, or a well-crafted belt instantly add polish to any outfit. These subtle yet powerful elements give off a refined and expensive feel, no matter what you're wearing. Choose 1 or 2 signature accessories that define your style: a structured leather belt, classic gold or silver jewelry, or timeless sunglasses like aviators or cat eyes. Stick to quality over quantity. A few well-chosen pieces can transform even the simplest outfit into a statement. Invest in versatile pieces that work across different outfits. A classic leather belt pairs well with dresses, trousers, and jeans, while looking elegant isn't about spending a fortune. It's about making smart, intentional choices. From structured bags to polished shoes and signature accessories, these simple tricks can instantly refine your look. The key is consistency. Small, thoughtful details add up to a timeless, sophisticated style. Which tip are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more effortless style tips. Want to take your elegance to the next level? Watch this video, Top Hair Trends for 2025. Styles you need to try. Fashion trends for even more expert-approved fashion secrets. Stay stylish, and I'll see you in the next one.